Infinito tren nos acaba, los paisajes cambian sin cesar.
These guys have arrived, and what do we have here?
Yo, what up, chat?
What do we have here?
in the chat.
Camping, man. Yeah, like, we use a key.
W tent.
W10, yeah. Not to brag.
So I'm boxing a brand new
Oh yeah, here.
tent. The streets have never seen this one.
Oh jeez.
Holy cow. Hey, my bad.
Yeah. So we have here
Jeez.
Huh?
The strategy is spin every few minutes, right?
No.
Oh, shit. My bad.
You just have to look at the marination happening, and you're looking for the char. And once you get the char surrounding the circumference, and you do the cross-like diameter check, and then that's how you know it's ready, like it should be flipped.
Is that one ready right there?
Yeah.
Chef Master, what seasoning is this?
Huh?
El silencio de las ventanas acarician mi hondo pesar.
You like camping? You like camping?
Oh geez, we're live again. What up, chat? W camping.
I wish this cam could go live. That'd be such an elite
the
feature.
GG Pro 3?
Bro, you know exactly what it is. Very people ask me about it though. They're like, should I get it? I'm like, just buy it.
2025, bro. It's the new iPhone, bro.
This thing has some crazy features that I actually
Bro,
have no idea how to use.
Hey, bro, does it have like a chat like GBT line inside of it?
Yeah, you just say, hey DJI.
Hey, DG.
DJ?
DJ, oh no.
No puedo pensar en pararme. Este movimiento me acuna. Dicen por ahí que el tiempo cura. Yo solo me fío de mi andar. Infinito tren, cuánto tiempo, pasajeros pasan y se van.
We made it. Honestly, really fucking nice out right now. Beautiful water. Man, you can't beat shit like this. This is in Ontario as well. Take that in. This is Ontario. Nothing beats this, for real. Lake Huron. And yeah. This is it.
What's good?
Hey, what's poppin'?
Chilling, you know, the usual.
Hey, what are we catching here?
Vibes.
Hey,
Aura.
yeah. Aura.
Shmoney.
Shout out to the farmers.
Shout out to the farmer. Shop local.
Day 2.
Like half full, yeah, more than half.
Post breakfast. Friends are chilling. About to go on a little ice run, beer run
Yeah, man.
Timmy's.
in the Ferrari. Jeez. Made a little pit stop. Got some beer at the beer store with the lads. Now we're just gonna rip some Timmy's right now. But yeah, life is good. Day 2. Camping at the Pinery. You know, a very quaint little town here. Very quaint little town.
The beach. Light up some floaties.
Play some
Have a day.
play some spike ball. Wait, did we bring spike ball?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spike ball, can jam.
Not the spike ball.
Okay, hide and seek.
I'm
Chicken.
gonna pull a Tanner Matthews serve.
I still have nightmares, bro.
Man, the sun is like this, bro.
No, he did the run up. He did the run up and he kept his knees straight.
Shout out Tanner, bro, the OG vlogger.
Yeah, shout out Tanner.
You know.
If you know, you know. That's crazy. All right, so now we're at the keg. The keg of Canada.
T-bone steak.
We made it to the beach now. Life is good.
You know the vibes.
Copyright music.
The big yeah. Bro, all my videos have had copyrighted music on
Really?
it. Yeah. You can't watch
We
them.
said we wouldn't go to Ibiza, so we brought Ibiza to us.
It's basically Ibiza if you think about it.
Hey, man.
Yo, how far can you go out though?
Me?
Yeah.
You see where it starts getting dark blue?
He already went there and came back, bro.
I like you did that.
Missed it.
Hey, this is how I got to.
I got to get swam across lake fucking
But
Huron.
real shit, like no lie, where it starts getting like dark blue,
Yeah.
like that's where it starts getting hectic.
What color is this?
Turquoise.
Ooh.
This is a
These underwater
individual.
shot?
Vibes are unreal.
This is the reason why.
Yo, plug your social right now.
Like my social?
Yeah.
I don't have social media, man.
Daddy Q, BDC on Instagram, Twitch.
BDC.
He does IRL
It sounds like it.
streams, mukbang.
I lie. Chick-fil-A mukbang in the BMW.
You don't know about that Polynesian sauce, bro.
Yeah, I got something cooked up tonight.
They got a Chick-fil-A in Aurora now.
Sponsored by Chick-fil-A.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Damn.
but you're like, they didn't pay us, so they can't give them a shout out.
Protect yourselves
Well, what?
from insects and other bodily creatures that will attack you in the beach. See everyone out here? Unprotected. How much money for me to yell shark right now? For the content.
Do it right now.
Guys,
Yo,
farming.
50 likes on this.
Guys, farming.
I'll go to Lake Ontario and I'll scream shark.
Does
50
Lake
likes
Ontario
only
have
though.
sharks?
50 likes.
Does Lake Ontario have sharks?
I'll yell something. Big bass.
Big bag.
Big bag. All right, we came back from the beach. Been hanging out, having a good time. I'm a little sunburnt, you can probably tell. But you know, vibes are still good, and overall, I'm enjoying the Pinery Provincial Park. Shout out the Pinery. I'm about to get into this Hyundai from my boy Henry. We're gonna go get some ice. We're at the park now, or the store. Oh yeah, ice cream's down there. Oh, there's a lineup though. There's a lineup.
Where is man?
The ice capturing was a success.
Iceman. Shout out Drake. What did I miss?
Jeez, that's a good track.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. What are your thoughts on Iceman?
Like the project?
Yeah. Think it's gonna be a flop? You think it's gonna be fire?
I don't know, man. I'm curious, honestly. I don't
Me
know
too.
what kind of drizzy we're gonna get. You know.
We're gonna get like,
Last one for all the dogs. I don't know. It didn't hit for me.
yeah. What was that?
There's some good tracks, but like it's just too much.
More Life. That'd be like More Life Drake maybe.
Okay.
That'd be nice.
Okay. The UK Drake.
Oh yeah, that was kind of UK Drake. Last night was absolutely wild. After having a good night with everyone at the campsite, it rained like crazy. We just spent the entire like hour and a half of this morning cleaning up, and now our campsite is empty. Honestly, really enjoyed it. It was a little short. 2 nights for setting up your campsite and stuff is pretty hectic, but overall I had a great time, and if it didn't rain last night I probably would have stayed a little bit longer, hit the beach up again, but it's a little too much right now. So we're gonna head out on the road soon. There's Jiva, there's Henry, Meg's coming back, and the camp trip has concluded. Final words?
Final words. We
shit.
came, we saw, we conquered.
We conquered, yeah.
That's all it is, man. You know. Shout out Pinery.
Jeez.
Shout out the Rezzies for the invite.
Damn, the Rezzies? Oh no. Oh, but yes. Oh, but no. She didn't hear that.
All I heard was the Rezzies.
Oh, she did hear
Oh,
that.
she did.
You got hawk hearing.
se va. El destino está